What is going on, my Purpe fam? How is everybody doing tonight? It's a Tuesday night. Felt a little better with all my allergies and all that crazy stuff. So hopefully we'll be able to get a little bit more, a little bit better, a better live, I guess, than last night. Sorry about that, but we are. Coming up, we have a major event tomorrow. We have the FOMC results that are coming in. They had the meeting today. They were, they talked about different things, how the economy is doing. And so I think the market's kind of gearing up a little bit. We've kind of seen some different things when it comes to price action. Bitcoin has kind of came up a little bit. Purpe, I think it hit like the 2 zeros. Now it's back in the 2 twos, which is absolutely positive. Actually, I think it just hit let's see, what is this? The 1 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour, here we go. So we are in the 4 hour when it comes to the chart. And so this is looking decent, right? We kind of came down, touched the 2 zeros, came back up, went right over this line, came back, retested it, and now past the 2 twos, retested it. And if this can open up green and we can get back in like the 2 fours, I think we are having a trend reversal. Looks like the RSI is right at that 50 mark. That means that there's it's kind of neutral. It went from more selling to a lot. It was like a lot of selling back here to, a decent amount of selling over here to more buying, right? We're kind of neutral. So it's like not more buying, but we're pretty in the middle. So, as always, we have it trending number 18. We got 2239 for the price. Market cap is 9.41. Liquidity is 646.91. Circulating supply is 420.66. Holder is 46.73K. And volume is 27.72. So, what do I see? I think that we are having a reversal, guys. It could be a little bit of hopium, but let's see what the charts are telling us. Look at that. We went from in the 20s to 37. So we're at 37 for the fear. We have, people getting a little less fearful. So hopefully we can get back to the neutral stages. At the neutral stages, people are going to be buying just a little bit more. And then we are still in a Bitcoin season, like a hard Bitcoin season. We're kind of in the verge to kind of going mild. So it's like hard, a lot of Bitcoin, a decent amount of Bitcoin, a decent amount of altcoins, and more altcoins than anything. The average RSI, people, we're not oversold anymore. People are buying, people are getting, stocking up again. We have Bitcoin at 89.2. We have Ethereum at 3,000. We have XRP at 189. Solana at 126, almost 127. Dogecoin at 12.46. We have Zcash at 396. And then we have Crow at 9.08 cents. So what does that mean? That means that the bulls are fighting a little bit. They're like, wait a minute. We're going a little too low. We might have some good news tomorrow. Let's see what we got tomorrow. And let's see what's going on. When it comes to... Hold on, let me get rid of some of these. All right. All right. So, let's see what we got going on in the land of Poly Market. So Poly Market is telling us that there's a 75% chance the government's going to shut down. That is something that we have kind of seen people that they're worried about. They're like, is the government shutting down? Is it going to stay open? 75% it's going to shut down. But it's not going to be, I think, a total shutdown. I was reading about it, and it sounds like it's going to be like a partial shutdown. So we'll have to kind of see what's going on with there. Wow. 100% are saying January, no change. So if it comes and we have a decrease, I think that is going to spike the market. So we got to see what's happening. Maybe we won't get it. I guess nobody thinks that we're getting a change in that. So we'll have to kind of see how that plays out, how that works. Mountain Dew, guys, pretty good. Good stuff. So this one's pretty good. The citrus punch, absolutely tasty. So we have that going on. Let's see. What do we have? The price of silver, 113. What about gold? What about gold? So guys, people are still, holy mac, Jace, 52.36. So it seems like a lot of people are still kind of going with the commodities, right? Holy mac, up $100 today. That is absolutely insane. My little philosophy, conspiracy, whatever you want to call it. I think the government is trying to push the precious metals up so that they can sell it and put it more into Bitcoin. So that works out for them. They push precious metals up. They have all those reserves. They get more money for it. Bitcoin's lower. They get more Bitcoin. It's a win-win-win-win. Manipulation at its finest. But that's just kind of my conspiracy, my philosophy, my theory, whatever you want to call it. That's kind of what I'm seeing. 12.6 thousand followers. January 26. Better days are coming. Account green, account red. So that is true, guys. There were a couple times I felt like this. Right now, I'm feeling kind of like this. But it is going to change. I really do. The treasure is coming. Purpe has emerged at Banksy's walled-off hotel in Bethlehem. What? That is absolutely crazy. So, it's, Purpe is showing up everywhere. Good morning. Gonna repost that. What's this? Something Labs. I don't think that's has anything to do with Purpe. The 26 of Purpe link. So, let's see. Who is this guy? Why is he following me? That's funny. So some pretty good stuff on Purpe, right? So okay. Anyway. So, guys, we have a ton of things to be excited about. A ton of things that we are kind of seeing in the markets. And so where do I think Pepe is going? Trust me, guys, when this thing goes past all-time high, you're going to remember who covered it multiple times a week. Crypto's Rich Boy at its finest. So make sure you like, subscribe. Because when the market gets heated up again, trust me, we'll be having some viewers. And people are going to be getting excited. And it's just going to, people are going to be flocking back. And I've seen this before. And I think we are going to have some major changes, right? I think we're going to have some major things happening. Some really good stuff happening. And I'm excited. So, looks like, let's see, what is Bitcoin doing right now? Sometimes you have to go to Bitcoin and kind of see where is it going. Okay, so it fell just a tad bit. Oh, that's the year. Hold on, guys. Okay, so it is up. Cool. I was like, wait, I don't think it fell. It is up. Let's see, where's Purpe at? Purpe, number 1041. So Purpe, I think Purpe is going to be bullish, 91%. So the market kind of doesn't know what it wants to do. It, you know what? Let's see. So the market doesn't know what we do, but it looks like we're kind of sticking with this trend line right here. Let me go ahead and do this real quick. So we have a really solid trend line. right around, like right around here, right around the 2 1.5, right? Oh, hold on, not what I wanted. I wanted the horizontal line. So let's see, we are going, yeah, right around 21.5. So that's kind of our new support. Um, so I think we are gonna get some good support around there, and yeah, it's all about just conviction. It's about holding dollar cost averaging, conviction plays, and definitely have conviction in Perpe. I think once the markets come back, I think right now we're kind of in that max pain phase. Everybody is in max pain. Everybody's waiting for their tax return. Everybody, you got to think when tax returns hit, guys. There's gonna be people. I think the market's gonna go up, right? Everyone's gonna be stocking up on their favorite crypto, on their favorite asset, on their favorite meme coin, favorite commodity, favorite whatever. I think money's gonna start flowing back into crypto. I think right now, gold might just need its time to shine. It needs some time to shine, and it needs to kind of figure out what it wants to do, where it wants to go. But I think very, very soon we will get a lot more traction and a lot more positivity, right? When it comes down to it. So, if you guys can't see, 42 degrees over here where I live. Oh, I don't think you guys can see it. Let me see. Can you guys see it on the screen? Yeah, you guys can see it on the screen. 42 degrees where I live. Absolutely insane. Everybody is shaking in their boots. We don't know what to do. Supposedly next week's going to be like 20, 27, 26. Man, absolutely insane. Holy mac. But that's why, stocking up on the winter clothing. So anyway, guys, let's see. Probably won't do the game. It's kind of a little slower. So we'll get back to the game maybe when there's more people. Have some talking to go around. But right now, thank you for tuning in. Like this video. Subscribe to the channel.